Welcome to Digital PATSHALA, your go-to channel for all things digital marketing and business growth. If you're a business owner, a budding entrepreneur, or someone looking to dive into the world of social media, today's video is a must-watch. We'll explore the power of social media marketing and why it's the ultimate tool to grow your brand in 2025. Let's dive in. Did you know that over 4.9 billion people use social media worldwide? That's more than half of the global population. Social media has evolved from just a platform for connecting with friends to a powerful business tool. Whether it's brand awareness, lead generation, or customer engagement, social media is where the magic happens. So, why is social media marketing so important? Here are the top reasons you should invest in it today. Reach a wider audience. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn allow you to connect with audiences across the globe. Cost-effective advertising. Running ads on social media is much cheaper and more targeted than traditional marketing methods. Build brand loyalty. Engaging with your audience regularly builds trust and keeps your brand top of mind. Real-time analytics. You can track what works and what doesn't, tweaking your strategy instantly for maximum impact. Successful social media marketing isn't just about posting pretty pictures, it's about strategy. Here's how it works. Content creation. Focus on quality over quantity. Post content that resonates with your audience. Engagement. Reply to comments, answer DMs, and interact with your followers. The more engaged you are, the more loyal they'll be. Paid advertising. Leverage paid ads to reach highly targeted audiences. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer robust targeting tools. Analytics. Use insights to measure performance. Platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn provide detailed analytics to guide your efforts. Let's talk about some real-life brands that nailed social media marketing. Nike, they've mastered storytelling and user-generated content to create a loyal fan base. Zomato, their witty and relatable content on Twitter has made them a favorite among millennials. A small business example, a local bakery that used Instagram Reels to increase orders by 300%. Are you ready to jump into social media marketing? Here are some quick tips to get you started. Choose the right platforms. Focus on platforms where your target audience hangs out. Set clear goals. Know whether you're aiming for more followers, sales, or engagement. Be consistent. Consistency is key. Create a content calendar to stay on track. Experiment and learn. Don't be afraid to try new trends and formats like Reels, Stories, and live videos. So there you have it. The importance of social media marketing and why it's a game changer for your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Digital PATSHALA, and share this video with your network. Let's grow together in the digital world. See you in the next video. Call to action screen with subscribe button and social media links. Outro music and end screen.